Hello and welcome back. My name is Sarah and this is Sarah's Abstract Expressions. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I like to show you how I do my different forms of fluid art, and string pulls. I love my string pulls. Hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Today, I'm pouring through a cookie cutter. Put your heart into your work, they say. It'll be fun, they say. All jokes aside, I found this cookie cutter a while ago at Michael's and decided to use it now. All the paints I'm using will be in the description below, and how I mix my paints too. I'll be back at the end to chat some more. Well, I used way too much paint. Wasn't able to keep as much of the silly bits on the outside as I wanted to, but I was still able to keep some, so that helps. I'm kind of happy I did that pattern thing in the middle of the heart thing after I pulled out the cookie cutter. But the red and the gold and the black look really nice together, so I really can't complain. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below. Like this painting if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!